Let's be honest, buying a home in Ontario has felt like chasing a big dream with $1 million price tag. But here's the game changer. The Canadian government just rolled out its biggest mortgage reforms in decades to help you finally break into the housing market. Is this the break home buyers have been waiting for, or will this send home prices skyrocketing? Stay with me for the next 7 minutes, and I'll break it down with real numbers, actual savings, and even some spicy risks you need to know before jumping in. So here are the 3 major mortgage rule changes set to make a big impact. Smaller down payments, 30-year mortgages, and new refinancing options. Let's dive in, starting with the one that would put the most money back in your pocket. Before, if a home cost more than $1 million, you had to put down 20%, meaning a $1.5 million home required $300,000 upfront. Now, the government raised the insured mortgage cap to $1.5 million, so you can put just 5% down on the first $500,000 and 10% on the rest. This is huge, especially in Toronto, Oakville, Mississauga, places where even a small bungalow costs over $1 million. Let's say you're a couple making $160,000 per year combined. You have saved $100,000, but before you still couldn't buy it because you needed a full 20% down. Well, now you are in the game. Hold up. More buyers with more access to higher priced homes. Does this mean house prices could go even higher? We'll get to that soon, but first, let's talk about your monthly payments. Yes, the monthly mortgage payments. A beautiful little number that makes your bank account cry every month. With this change, first-time home buyers and new construction buyers can spread their mortgage payments over 30 years instead of the earlier 25. That means lower monthly payments, more financial breathing room, and potentially qualifying for a bigger mortgage. Think of it as an automatic 0.9% interest rate discount on your payments. But there's a catch. Longer loans equal more interest over time. So while your monthly payments go down, the bank actually makes more money off you in the long run. Now, let's talk about turning your home into a money machine. Before, securing a loan to build a basement apartment or laneway suite was a challenge. But now, you can refinance up to $2 million to fund these projects based on your home's future built value. Yes, that's right. Not the current, but the value after the addition of the secondary dwelling. This means you can turn your basement into a legal rental suite, create extra income to help pay your mortgage, and also increase Ontario's rental supply, which is badly needed. If you live in the GTA, Kitchener, or London, this could mean an extra $1,500 a month, which could literally pay your mortgage for you. So here's the $1 million question. More mortgage access equals more buyers, equals higher demand. But higher demand plus low housing supply equals prices go up and up. More buyers entering the market would push prices even further out of reach. So while this helps buyers in the short term, if home prices spike again, we will be right back where we started. Alright, final verdict. Is now the time to buy? Well, yes, if you have a stable job and income, plan to stay in your home long term, and you don't mind paying more interest over time, but lower monthly payments. And no, if you're banking on home prices dropping, spoiler, they might not. You're overstretching your finances, and if you don't have a backup plan, if interest rates rise again. If you're serious about home ownership, now might be the time to start saving, getting pre-approved, and watching the market closely. And that's a wrap. So what do you think? Game-changing opportunity or another housing market headache? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you planning to buy in 2025 or are you waiting to see what happens? Let's get the conversation going. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any updates on real estate, mortgages, and smart money moves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy house hunting.